HAYTECH is a unique hay monitoring system that helps you to avoid barn fires and increase the quality of your hay. In this video, we will show you how the HAYTECH system is used from season to season on your farm. The grass is tall and the weather is good in the spring and summer. It's time to make hay. When you move your bales to store them inside your barn, simply place the HAYTECH sensors inside the hay bales. The safest option is to place one sensor in each bale. However, even monitoring a portion of the hay stack will increase the situation awareness compared to manual temperature sampling. To be able to find hot bales in a dangerous situation, mark the position of the probes in a table or use the bale locator on our Quanturi app. The probes will automatically send the measurement data through the relay to your base station, which is connected to the internet. Now you can check the temperatures of your probes anytime and anywhere on the Quanturi web application from your PC, tablet or smartphone. This way you can avoid the tedious manual work of constantly having to check on your hay. Even if the temperatures rise in the middle of the night, you will get an SMS alert to your mobile phone and hence are able to react quickly. Using your table or our bale locator, you can easily identify the hot bale and remove it from the stack. The hay will cool down and you can check on the progress from the Quanturi app. Without the early warnings from the HAYTECH system, your barn could have burned down that night. Later in the summer, when you make the second or third cutting and add new hay bales to your storage, you can simply purchase additional sensors and add them easily to your system to increase the coverage. Before you feed the hay to your animals, remove the sensors and store them in the box they came in for the next season. The temperature of the hay gives a good indicator of the quality. This helps you to select the right hay bales and improve feeding. It is important to feed good quality hay to your animals, because it can increase the health of the animals as well as the quality of the milk they produce. With the HAYTECH system, you will have a safe barn, high quality hay and happy animals all year round. When the next spring finally comes around and you make fresh hay, simply reuse your probes in the new bales. HAYTECH: safety, simplicity and reliability. Day and night, all year round.